By the 1920 in the United States, great changes had been made in daily life by an accumulation of inventions that had been produced in increasing numbers since the Civil War. These technological innovations created what in effect was a social revolution. Improvement in communication served to knit more closely citizens of diverse ethnic and political backgrounds. Rapid printing presses, typing setting device, and page plate process made print matter more widely accessible. The telephone simplified person-to-person communication. The phonograph, the silent motion picture, the radio, and the sound picture for the first time made auditory and visual impact simultaneously possible over the whole country and had the inevitable and perhaps undesirable effect of establishing a trend to national conformity in thought and feeling. One could call this revolution the nationalism of thought and state. Improvement in transportation made all parts of the country less remote for each other when measured by the time required to go from one place to another. Bicycles and trolleys put the nation on wheels. Then the automobile provided the means for speed and mobility, now so dear to Americans, and brought a demand for better highways. By the 1920s, cargo trucks were beginning to cut into railroad revenues, and the let's wonder the airplane was a very common sight. The transportation evolution was made possible by the development and perfection of new engines and motors. The internal combustion engines using gasoline or oil could be built in compact power units admirable suite to automobiles, aircrafts, and boats. The use of electricity generated by water power of coal-burning plants simplified the problems of mechanical power for industrial use and made electrical illumination commonplace in cities, indoors and out. Electricity also powered an increasing variety of domestic appliances.